So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, basically what I do, I download the MySQL for the Windows and install this MySQL for the our Windows in step-by-step procedure. Then you have to continue this video and let's get started. Okay. So in the first step, what we have to do, we have to go the Chrome tab, Chrome, and put out here download MySQL for the Windows. If you do like this, then if you put out like this download.mysql for Windows, then you have to go like this link. Okay, download MySQL community server. Okay, this is the link. I will put out this link in description box also. You can check it out, dev.mysql.com. Click here. If you click here, then this link is moved to this page. Okay, here is you have to choose your Microsoft Windows. If you using any another operating system like Linux or the any thing, you have to choose in here. And then what you have to do, you do not download these versions. Okay, this is zip and you have to go this page. Okay, download the MySQL installer MSI. Go to download page. If you click here, then here is choose your operating system. Okay, you chose like this Windows Microsoft. Then what you have to do, you do not download this file MSI installer. This is a installer for the like 3 MBs. You have to download this file, second file. Click here, download, and here is a 400 MB file which is installer, basically installer for the Windows of MySQL. Then click here, download, and this is gives the authority. Then you click the no thanks and just start it for download. If you click this, then file is downloaded. Now I pause it because I already downloaded these files for installation. This is for your informations. If you once download the file, then what you have to do, go to your download folder, like download folder, and here is this file. Okay, here is this file of a MySQL. Okay, double click on the MySQL. It's preparing for the installation now. It takes some time. You have to wait like 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, like that. It depends on your PC's configuration. Like this MySQL installer 1.5 is running. It's provided by the Oracle. Yeah, this screen. Okay, you have these screens. Then you have to read all these things. Like if you want to get it knowledge about the MySQL installations, then here is a setup like environment. You if you want to download, or if you want to install server only, then click here. If you want to client only, then if you want to install the full your MySQL, then click here. If you want to install the custom your settings, then click here. Then this option is better for you developer default, because in this option you can develop your database also. You can put out your queries, you can run out your queries, all these things you can do. Then we click on the developer default and click the next. If you click next, then that ask MySQL Visual Studio or connector. This is basically the connectors for your like C++ coding or Python. If you develop any project in Python or C++, and if you want to connect this for your MySQL database, then you have to install one of them, like for the Python like this connector, and for the C++ for this connector. We do not need that. Then we do not click here your checkbox and click the next. Okay, click yes. This is the basically all the software like MySQL server, MySQL workbench, for MySQL cell, routers, connectors, all these things you have to install these things. Then what you have to do, click here the execute. If you click execute, then one by one installing this. You have to wait like till 10 minutes, and then it install all the software. Then we will be in the move forward. It takes some 10-minute time. It's take a 10-minute time to for me uh, execute all these things. Okay, if you execute all these things, then you have to move forward. Click here to the next. If you click next, then like this type of a environment here. Here is a computer development computer, choose the first option, and here is a default port, like all these default things. Okay, then click next. Authentication method, use a password. There is a two type of authentication method, like this type of and this type of. I chose the use the strong password. I entered the password for my users. Okay, click here next, and here you have to enter the password for your root user. Root is a main user of MySQL. Here is a create a password, and you have to do not forget this password, because this password used to connect your server every time. You have to put out the strong password here, like one uppercase, like one lowercase, and one is a special case character, like these things. Okay, so I entered here password. I set my password. Like this. Okay, this is weak. Okay, then we have to choose the strong password. Okay, this is medium level password, then it's okay. Okay, then if you want to create any user for your system, then add user. Click here to add user and set out the password and the username, and like this. Okay, this is a root password. If okay, so click next here. You do not forget this password. Okay, yes, and this is your MySQL Windows service name. If you want to be a change this name, then you can change. So I entered anything else like this. Okay, PKB, custom user, standard user. Okay, I chose the standard user. Okay, PKB123. Okay, like this name, you have to choose this name properly and click the next. If you click next, then here is all these things, then click the execute. It's execute one by one. It's take like 1 minute time to execute all these things. You execute once this all things, then you have to click the finish. Are you want to cancel and adding the product? Click no. Click next. Click finish. Click next. And here in this window you have to put out your password which was you given to your root user, and click check here, and then you click the next, then your installation is completed. I will show you like this. Click check. Failed, I think password is wrong. It yeah, this is connected successfully. Then click the next, then click execute. All the script are run out. Then here is a message, this configurations for the sample example like did successful. Then click out the finish. Click the next. Click the finish. If you finish it out, then workbench will be open like this. Your workbench will be open for you. Then click here. If you double click here, then it asks you a password. Okay, then you have to give here password that was you set for your root user. Then I enter the password for my root user. If I enter password, then it goes me to the original workbench. Okay, like this is my MySQL, and this is all the procedure of the MySQL installation. If you like it, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Okay, thanks for watching video.